Jenbacher is a reciprocating spark-ignited gas engine. These machines are designed for lower emissions, for reliability. The Jenbacher enables us to run on other fuels besides natural gas, landfill gas, biogas, coal mine methane, specialty gas. The engine will be painted pink, which aligns ourselves with the Breast Cancer Initiative. That's really the backbone of this project.
So this is our first engine at King's Cross. Usually the engines are painted green, but we were very keen that our engine would stand out in the crowd, and so we wanted to paint it pink. It's very exciting. You don't often get pink engines delivered. King's Cross is a mixed-use urban redevelopment which is on a brownfield site sitting between King's Cross and St Pancras Station. There's 50 or 60 buildings on the site which has residential on it, car parking in it, university, it has a games area. So at King's Cross the philosophy is very much that all of the heat requirements for every single building will come from the energy centre. The energy centre will eventually have 3 of these engines. It will provide all of the heat for all of the buildings, and it will provide about 70 to 80% of the electrical need. The engine is a very important part of our carbon reduction strategy at King's Cross. We'll keep our carbon emissions as low as we can. The Jenbacher is an excellent engine to have, one of the most efficient and also one of the most robust and reliable engines. And so we were very keen to have a Jenbacher.